Fast-paced business world, staying ahead requires precision, insights, and the right tools. Welcome to DeskTrack, your partner in workplace intelligence. DeskTrack is more than just a productivity tool. It's a comprehensive solution designed to track, analyze, and optimize your team's performance. Let's explore how it works and why businesses love it. With DeskTrack's user tracking feature, you get a complete breakdown of how time is spent. You see active and idle hours, application usage, task completion rates. This empowers managers to identify productivity gaps and optimize workflows. From daily trends to individual activity logs, DeskTrack provides real-time insights to ensure every minute contributes to your goal. Understand your team's digital habits with detailed app usage reports, identify underused software, eliminate redundancies, and focus on tools that maximize productivity. By tracking software usage, businesses can cut unnecessary subscriptions, can save up to 30% on software costs annually. With DeskTrack, transparency is the key. Gain a clear picture of tasks completed, ensuring accountability across teams while fostering a culture of trust and efficiency. Businesses using DeskTrack report up to a 27% increase in productivity thanks to actionable insights and streamlined workflows. In the era of remote work, DeskTrack bridges the gap. With the real-time tracking and activity monitoring, managers can oversee distributed teams effortlessly. By ensuring visibility and alignment, DeskTrack helps teams stay connected no matter where they work from. From tracking activities to improving efficiency, DeskTrack transforms businesses with its unique blend of features and benefits. Take control of your workplace today, experience the DeskTrack advantage, and unlock your team's true potential. Visit our website and schedule a demo.